Trains, known for its transportation. It's the most powerful craft for inspiration. Today, Thomas has told me great stories about Toby and a new truck that has grand adventures to tell. Now, let me tell you the story. Toby, the train engine, lives on the island of Toby. He is always a diligent engine and always helps others in need. One day, Toby went to see Knockford Station to see the flight controller when he saw something dangling. It was a troublesome truck. Toby, I'd like to make you a new truck. It will be able to import some goods to the other stations. Hello. Oh, hello to you too. What's your name? My name's Toby. Would you want to go for a tour? Oh, yes, please. So Toby made lots of steam and pushed the new truck for the tour of the island of Sodor. Toby showed the branch line and his own branch line too, and told a tale about a dandy named Henry who got stuck up on a tunnel. Well, said the truck, did he learn his lesson? Yes, he did, said Toby. Later that night, Toby sent the new truck to the yard. Hello, trucks. I'd like you to greet the new truck for today. Hello, greeted the truck. The truck scoffed because he didn't look like there. Okay, but truck, I think it will be good for tomorrow. And Toby rolled away. As the new truck slept, the trucks talked to each other for a while. He doesn't look like us. I don't think he has the same bases as us. Yeah, agreed the other truck. I think let's make a plan. Yeah, so he can send off to his old railway. Back at the sheds, Toby was ready to go for a good night's sleep. But Toby wanted to tell Kana about something. Hello, Kana. Oh, hello, Toby. Ready for a good night's sleep? Oh, yes. Wait, I want to tell you something. The flight controller told me that I need to do a long goods train with the new truck. Oh, yeah. It's very kind, yeah? Yes, very kind. Other than the other trucks. So, can you help me just send those trucks to the platform that I'm standing in tomorrow? Okay. And they all slept until the next day. The next day, everybody woke up. Toby was ready to go while Kana waited. After Toby left, Kana will go have to shunt some trucks. Kana made back to the yard. As they coupled to the trucks started talking about the new truck. The new truck is stinky. Yeah, stinky. Won't you please be quiet? The workmen are busy coupling. Ah, pish posh. You always like to boast about your own work. You guys shut that. Meanwhile, Toby was sitting on the platform when suddenly the trucks arrived with very weird news. Kana said the F word. Kana said the F word. Oh, really, Kana? Do you? Yes, I did say that just because they were so naughty to me and to the new truck, except for Bruno, because he's always so nice. Oh, thank you. Ah, ya pisser. Well, I don't think that will be tolerated. And soon, the troublesome truck giving him a big huff. Oh, that was weird. Ooh, how do you do that? Well, I have a special engine that can only go for Just half of a trillion kilometers per hour. Oh, okay. Let me couple to you right away. Toby went to the other platform, coupled to the goods train, and was set to go. They had to pop through the old junction, and before they have to go to the hill road, they have to go to stop by and check first. And they check the goods are good enough to go, they set off and find a loop. They have to go back and do it all over again. Now they can go right down to the hills. And they stop to unload all the load. While they're unloading, Toby has to go back down so he can turn the trucks back where they came from. So that way, the trucks can start their devious plan in action. Meanwhile, while they were unloading, the truck started their devious plan. Alright, let's make his coupling snap in 3, 2, 1, go! Then they snapped the coupling. And now the truck started going out of control. Ah, help! I can't stop! Then he crashed right down the railway. Meanwhile, Toby was just about to shun those trucks when suddenly he found a new truck dangling. Oh my god, what happened to you? Oh, I just got snapped. My coupler is broken. Oh, don't worry. I'll go find Carly. So Toby took a turn and went to find Carly. When he went to find Carly, he was so surprised that she was on the station. Oh, Carly, I'm so surprised to see you. Well, I need your help because my new truck has been derailed. Oh, okay, I'll help you. And soon they went to see the accident. Soon they made it to the accident. Soon she lifted the new truck at ease. Toby, would you think I'll be okay? Oh, I think if the truck can let you after that glorious accident. The next day, the truck was at the station, and Toby was right at the next platform because the towhan is talking to them. I think our new truck has have a bad second day, but on this third day, I think he will become a new member of the official trucks. Ooh, how wonderful, said Toby. Say, how should I discipline them? I think I heard they like romance novels. Would you like them a try? Okay. So the truck went slowly to the yard. The yard was very close to the line, to Toby's branch line at least, and the new truck went to them. Say, I heard you like romance novels. Would you want to turn them into a big musical that I'm gonna direct? Ooh, what type of play? Oh, Romeo and Juliet. Now the other trucks like the new one, and we took them on early morning strolls in the dead of night, and also do crazy stunts. Toby and Bruno are loyal friends to the new one, but the trucks were the loyal best friends. And soon he was included to each subject they were talking about, and he never could have been happier.
Every engine on the island of Sodor looks different. Can you tell who this is? This engine is green, but there are lots of green engines on Sodor. What else can we see? This engine has only 2 wheels on each side. This is a small engine. Do you know who it is yet? Let's see if there's another clue. It's the number 6. Which engine on Sodor is number 6? That's right. It's Percy. Hello, Percy.